This is a 2015 Acura MDX. Gonna show you how to reset the maintenance light. You want to turn and push the button twice without pushing on the brake. Just turn the key to the on position. You don't want the brake on at this point in time. Sorry, I had to shut the heater off. So we're gonna be using this dial right here, and you're gonna go through that dial until you come up with vehicle settings. Once you have that, you're going to push on that dial and it's going to bring up another screen, and you're going to scroll through that until you come up with maintenance info, and then you're going to push on the dial again and it's going to say reset or maintenance reset, and either cancel or scroll on the dial and it'll come up with reset. And then you'll push on the dial again, give it just a minute and it'll complete itself, and then you can hit the cancel button and that'll bring it out of it, and cancel button again and that'll bring you back into your normal screen here. And then you can scroll and make sure that your oil life went back to 100%. Oh, go to the exit first. I'm sorry, I'm still in the maintenance mode. So now that we're at the normal menu, you can scroll back and oil life is at 100%.